Hello everyone. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is the reading for you. December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. And energy could be vice versa. So let's see what's going on, Cancer, and your messages. Okay, what's going on? Page of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Three of Cups. Okay. One card is Hermit. Okay, this is Hermit. Yeah, so let's see your reading, Cancer. I think you both could be twin flames. 11 and 11, Four of Wands is here. Definitely some communication was happened between both of you in recent past. I think you both are in reunion, definitely, in past. But something happened between both of you because one person feeling stuck, because one person moved away from this person, from one person, because Three of Wands turning their back from their person. Definitely, I think it's you maybe turn your back from your person, Cancer, because yeah, there is no contact between both of you. You are undergoing some transformation, what I'm getting here, Cancer. But two persons coming towards you, I am seeing here. For some only your past person. I think Knight of Swords. I think someone new is coming towards you, and they are in rush. Okay. Someone from past is also coming towards you, King of Cups. They have strong emotions for you, but you don't know which decision you have to make because you are feeling stuck, and right now you are isolated from all and undergoing some transformation, some spiritual awakening. I think it could be you or you person. Take what resonate and leave the rest. What I'm getting here, it's you. Okay, in past everything is okay, but something is happened between both of you, and you turn your back from your person. Maybe there could be there is no equal give and take, there is no commitment, but now two persons coming towards you. For some it's only past person, only one person, and they are in so much rush, but you are not talking to them right now because you are thinking about them a lot, but not making any more right now. Queen of Cups, definitely you also have strong emotions for your person. Yeah, you are very caring and giving person in this connection. You are always there for your person when they want. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, what I am getting here. For some it could be long distance relationship also, Three of Wands. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Some traveling is also involved in this connection. For some it could be two persons, for some only one person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, some messages. So here lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but very less earth energy. So Virgo, especially Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get what's going on. Then we will get clarity what's going on. And for some, your person coming back for reconciliation. For some, it could be third party situation also. So let's see your person current feelings. Cancer, what a sign. Your person current feelings. Seven of Pentacles. Six of Wands. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to invest in this connection. They want success in this connection, and they want win you back again in their life. Three of Pentacles. Definitely they are thinking about to work on this relationship. I think there is no partnership, there is no collaboration in past between both of you. Now your person want to work on this relationship. Definitely. Yeah. For some, very few, your person may be right now concentrating on their career. They are investing their time and energy into their career, and they are getting success. They want success in career. Okay, for some, but for some, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. They are thinking about to come towards you. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Cancer, your person, near future actions. Magician, Ten of Wands, Queen of Swords, and one more card I want. Two of Wands. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. There is no doubt. I think they are manifesting you back again in their life. They are manifesting you. And Queen of Swords. Definitely some communication. They want to express their true feelings to you. And this time they are feeling overburdened. It could be any reason due to work pressure, whatever. Or when they are thinking about you, they are feeling like suffocating. I think they are missing you. Definitely. And yeah, some communication is coming in your way. They want to express their feelings, because Queen of Swords is also very straightforward communication, very straight to the point, that type of communication. Definitely they want to express their true feelings to you, Cancer, and this could be long distance. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, and yeah, they are manifesting you back. For some, your person right now, they are concentrating on their career. That's why they're feeling overburdened. But some communication, for sure, communication is coming in your way. For sure, your person is thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're thinking to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. So your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see outcome where this connection is headed in near future. The Sun, wow. High Priestess. I think your person right now listening to their higher self. Under the deck, Two of Cups. Definitely there is love. Two cards, okay. Okay, communication, and one more card. Okay. Communication, yeah. King of Swords, Queen of Swords. I think you both are very stubborn couple, very strong. Definitely your person obsessed with you, there is no doubt. Or maybe you may be obsessed with your person, or your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely there is some obsession involved in these connections. It causes resistance also. Yeah, I think you both will communicate. They need to talk to you, and they want to express their true feelings. Yeah, I think they want to be honest with you this time. They are listening to their higher self. The Sun, definitely they are thinking about you very positively, because the Sun card is here. And High Priestess, definitely your person may be trusting their intuition this time. Some Page of Wands, some messages, some communication is going to be happen between both of you. You will receive some unexpected communication from your person, and yeah, they're thinking about to make a move towards you. Definitely they will make some effort. Yeah, I think what I'm seeing here, the outcome is communication is going to be happen between both of you. Then where it goes, it depends upon you both. Okay, it depends upon both. Okay, so your person could be Capricorn, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer, Hangman, Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Definitely you are also juggling. You have, when you are thinking about your person, one time you have strong emotions, over emotions. One time there you are thinking that zero emotions. That's you are juggling what to do, what not to do, and you are very defensive for some. And yeah, you are also overburdened, and definitely you have so many responsibilities. You have so much work to do, and you are overburdened right now. You are stuck. Definitely you are also thinking about your person. I think you both are thinking about each other. Some communication is coming in your way. You are also stuck. You are also thinking about your person a lot. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Eight of Cups. Definitely there is separation. One person walked away in this connection from the other person. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Empress, Death, Scorpio. Your person could be Four of Cups, See, communication. I already told you, definitely there will be back and forth communication is going to be happen between both of you. Four of Cups, definitely a person feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and they are also scared that you will reject them. And Death, your person undergoing some transformation. Scorpio, Empress. Yeah, definitely they see you as a Empress, and they also want to get some stability. They also want to stand by their power before coming towards you. Yeah, some communication is coming in your way. What I'm getting here. Yeah, you both are thinking about each other. Some communication is going to be happen. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.